5K message. Mask disinfection distance. Do not gather. Medical DECLARATON. Masks. Regularly wear cloth masks in public places, places where people gather. Wear medical masks in medical facilities and isolation areas. Disinfect. Wash your hands often with soap or hand sanitizer. Clean frequently touched surfaces, items, doorknobs, phones, tablets, furniture, etc. Maintain hygiene, laundry and keep the house well ventilated. Distance. Keep your distance when interacting with others. There are no large gatherings. Health declaration. Health declaration on NCOVI app. Install the Bluezone app at https://bluezone.gov.vn/ to be warned about the risk of COVID-19 infection. When having symptoms of fever, cough, difficulty breathing, call the hotline of the Ministry of Health or the hotline of the local health center for advice, support and instructions on safe medical examination. Please keep you and us safe from the COVID-19 pandemic.